AutoAuto. The AutoAuto multi-tool is an exception to the norm in that you won't typically find multi-tools in a garage's toolbox. It's a tool that can do a surprising number of different things. First of all, it's useful for making wheels tighter or looser. The company that makes the tool sells a set of bits that make it work with most car nuts. With a special attachment, the AutoAuto can be used as a jack to lift a car. It can also be used to pump air into the tires. All of these tasks can be done with just a few buttons. This may be the most amazing thing about the AutoAuto. Also, built-in lights will let you work even when it's dark outside. The starting price is $339. Schneider Airsystems REM 160-8 WOF. This compressor was made especially for shops that fix cars. It can be used for many different things, and you can do them quickly and well. The REM 160-8 WOF's versatility comes from the fact that it makes and supplies compressed air, which is needed to run a wide range of tools and machines. It can run jacks, a tire changer, and a pneumatic wrench. It's also useful for painting because it keeps the spray gun steady. The good thing about this model is that it is small and easy to carry. Even though it only weighs 19 pounds, it can pump air up to 8 atmospheres. It comes with special holders that let you hang the compressor on the wall so it doesn't get in the way while you work. It will cost you about $170. Sonic S12 Toolbox. It is crucial to keep your tools organized when you use a lot of them. The best way to keep them in order is a Sonic Tools S12 Toolbox. The owner can choose from 7 small drawers and 1 large drawer. Each one can hold up to 88 pounds. The weight of everything inside the box is 881 pounds. On the sides, there are holders that are very useful. You can hang a roll of paper towels on one side and spray cans on the other. You can even use the top as a work surface. The price starts at $7,000, but for this amount of money, the customer gets a full set of 533 items along with the cart. This includes a number of different ratchets, wrenches, hammers, chisels, pliers, and other tools. Mobile ramp. The thing you see on the screen can turn any place into a place where you can fix cars. Unlike its stationary competitors, this building doesn't need a foundation or formwork. Because it is portable, you can start fixing things as soon as possible. The machine is put right on the ground or asphalt. The maker makes 2 kinds, a simple one and a hydraulic one, which is what we have here. The second type lets you raise the car even higher than the ramp, which is 11.6 inches high. One ramp weighs 55 pounds. The metal is small and can be hung up on the wall if needed. About $80 is what it costs. CarCapsule CF1. Car protection can be taken to a whole new level without much trouble. All you have to do to get this portable inflatable capsule is pay $3,000. It reliably protects the car from dust, dirt, rust, mold, bad smells, birds, and other things by covering it on all sides. There is no metal or plastic frame, so when the roll is folded, it doesn't take up much space and weighs only 149 pounds, which isn't too much. The pump that comes with the kit takes only 4 minutes to fill the capsule with air. The air also passes through a special filter that gets rid of dust and bugs. The car looks like it's on display because the PVC walls are clear. The floor can handle mold, wear, and fire. On top of that, the capsule is stylish and has a finish that looks like carbon fiber. Rema Maschinen lift. Here's another small tool that will be an absolute must-have in the workshop. The experts at the Swiss company Rema Maschinen have made a lift that lets you quickly, safely, and without too much work, lift a motorcycle, moped, or scooter. It can lift up to 790 pounds at most. There is a clamp to hold the front wheel in place. The maker has also made sure there are holes where the safety straps can be attached. Lastly, the design includes a ramp that can be taken off and used to help put the vehicle on the platform before lifting it. There are also stabilizers that can be pulled back and fall protection. The unit doesn't weigh much. It's about 220 pounds, and because of its small size, you can use it in tight spaces. The price of the purchase is $470. FACOM BS.EXTM. A utility cart is a good thing to buy, but if you need to take your tools with you, it won't help. On the other hand, the idea that the French company FACOM came up with is very helpful. The BS.EXTM bag is a very unusual way to carry tools. When you carry it, it looks like a normal bag, but when you open it up, it becomes a workstation. You can sit on the thick fabric and put your knees on it, and it will keep dust and dirt off your clothes. The middle is soft to take the stress off the knees and make it more comfortable. Pay attention to the bag's walls, which have holders on them, so that each tool has its own place. The bag can be folded and unfolded quickly and easily. On the side, there is a brightly colored sign that you can use to mark your work area. The bag only weighs 5 pounds, but it can hold up to 11 pounds, and it will cost you $32. Garadget. You won't have to worry about your garage door anymore if you buy this tiny $80 gadget. The Garadget is attached to the top of the structure, and a mobile app lets you control it from a distance. If the owner forgets to close the garage door, the system will send a message to remind them. It can also let you know if someone is trying to break in. Installation only takes a few seconds and doesn't require any tools. Matco 16V Cordless Infinium. When fixing a car, sometimes a regular screwdriver just won't do. Because of how it's made, you can't get to places that are hard to get to. The good news is that the Infinium screwdriver from Matco Tools is here to help. Its length can be changed, and most importantly, it's made at an angle. That is, the bit is not at the end of the rod, as it usually is, but on the side. The tool is powered by batteries and can screw or unscrew fasteners with a single push of a button. The cost of the tool is $518. Top Shelf the Lift. The last piece of equipment we'll talk about today can make almost any room bigger and more useful. This is a lift that you can attach to the wall to store things. As the video shows, it works great for bikes, car tires, crates, boxes, and even sports gear. The main benefit of this design is that the empty space can be used to store things. Different sizes are available in a few different ways. For example, it can be long or have walls to protect it and make it easier to fasten. There are also lifts that can be put into the ceiling. The price ranges from $250 to $700, and the number of people it can carry depends on the model. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.